Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. SIPOC Analysis is a great tool to use to understand the elements of a project you may want to focus on in terms of process improvement. It's usually part of the Six Sigma DMAIC process in the measure area of DMAIC. So design measure is the second step, where you're analyzing and measuring or defining what you need to measure to ensure that your process improvements are a success. So SIPOC is really just an acronym for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. So if you can do an analysis and understand what are the success measures for each of those areas, that will help you figure out what is your current state. So you figure out the measures there and what's your desired future state and how big of a gap there is. That will allow you to determine where you might want to focus some of your process improvement efforts. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.